The drain off the well blew off and
Snapped right off.
we're taking a shower now.
That definitely just blew off. Alright, let's do what we're here for now. Ta-da! Unfortunately, the heater's only 2 years old, but because of all of the water leaking into there, we have to change the heater now. Whoever changed it before, for some reason, only patched in a small section of PEX. We're gonna repipe it, replace the valve, because this is all corroded. It's only 2 years old, it's corroded. Replace that, run copper into here, and then we don't like these fittings. They're shark bite fittings. We'll cut that out as well, and then rerun copper to the heater. So sometimes when copper gets too thin and brittle, my cutter will actually crush the copper to the point where then I can't make a connection to it. It's gonna failing again. At that point, then you either have to do a repipe or find another spot where we can connect to. But if the whole house ends up being like that, then you have issues. This one, luckily, is not in that kind of condition. Not brand new, but its wall thickness is fine to where we can make a connection on it. We'll reconnect to there. See the ceiling above?
Yeah.
So there was a pinhole upstairs in the wall, and basically it's been going on for we don't know how long. But then you can see the mold on the wall, so the restorations company's gonna come in and take a look at that. So it's just been dripping on top of the water heater and just collected who knows how long it's been going on.
So how often do you have to change a filter?
It all depends on your well, really. Most cases, most people do it every 6 months to a year. But again, it depends if you're sucking up a ton of silt inside or it gets really dirty. Then you want to maintain it a little more. You have a lot of iron, that usually will cause you to end up doing it quite often. We're all set. Water heater swapped out. They swapped out the wiring inside of there. Changed your filter for her. Repaired a broken boiler drain on the bottom of the well tank that actually blew off while we were here. Pinhole was all taken care of yesterday, so that's all set. Nothing's leaking through the ceiling. Water's back on, wired back in, so we're back up and running, and she's good to go. She should have hot water probably in about an hour and a half. So not bad.